Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about fuel cell energy, ticker symbol FCEL. Now recently we have seen that the stock has dropped by more than 12% and the volume has also increased from an average volume of the last 3 months which was 33.47 million to the last traded volume of more than 67 million shares. So the volume has also increased along with the price depreciation, and as you can see the stock hasn't performed well in the last 1 month. Even the Y2D performance is a better measure to look at it, and from its 52-week high it is down by more than 80%. Now a stock with a good potential is moving down is obviously quite a concern for lots of people because and more specifically for those who are holding it since the beginning of 2021. So this is the thing which you need to understand. Now there are some mixed numbers which you can see. So the sales and EPS are looking positive, the estimation, but if you are looking at the profitability or margins, which is the actual number, it is negative. So I mean, if you are betting on a positive future and the present we have here is full with losses, then obviously there is a dilemma beyond a certain amount of time. Apart from that, what we have here is there are some short ratios. These are not very big, but 1.37% are some short ratios we have here, and with a consensus target estimate of 7.38. Apart from that, as you can see here, you have a very recent upgrade on 29th of December by Craig Hallam, and they have changed their rating from sell to hold, and they have a target price of $5. Instead of that, the stock has fallen. I mean, I don't know. $5 is actually the number at which the stock is trading right now. So let's see what else we have here. And there are some option exercise that has happened in the month of November, and what we can see. Okay, so there are lots of news because of the result, and see, you have why the stock price dropped and then recovered, why this stock crashed 15%. So we have all the available news. Let's see what we have here. So the initial move of Plug Power based on, okay, this is I think for Plug Power, not FCL. I want fuel cell, not Plug Power over here. Okay, here we are. So fuel cell numbers didn't just look bad relative to expectations, they are objectively bad related to the company's performance a years ago. Sales declined 18%, operating loss grew 33%, and net loss rose 28%. Okay, then that's what we have seen, and these are the news because of which the stock has fallen down, the numbers, and still we have upgrade. I mean, that upgraded target is actually $5 at which the price is trading. Now I'll tell you one thing, there are two school of thoughts. First, those who are holding it since the low of 2019, and those who are holding it from the highs of February 2028. But whatever has happened, there is one very bad thing that has happened which we are not expecting till now. Okay, so if you are looking at the price performance, because our main focus on the charts rather than on the numbers, so below 5.55, this is not looking good, because the stock has recently taken support at 5.4 or 5.55 and started moving higher, and it has actually doubled from 5 to 11 and $12, and then started falling, and after the announcement of the news, or after its result announced, the stock has actually fallen down quite a lot. Now you have broken down one very important support, that is 5.55. The last, or probably the last or the next resort we have here is 4.45. Now if the stock moves below 4.45, then you will have a problem, because after 4.45, the next range we have here is in between 2.8 and here we are 3.5. So this will be your next range, so be very much specific. So be very specific about the things which you are doing here, and the levels are not holding, and the result has give a very strong signal by making a breakdown. So this is not looking good as of now. So let's see whether the company has any further plans, to mop up the price or gain some market revenue or some new project which will strengthen the financials. But this quarter number has actually shaken the price chart, and we have to see how it's going to hold. So you have 4.45, below which you have 2.8 and 3.57, and only if the stock started moving above 5.6 and started sustaining above that, then we will talk about the upper end of the range. For the time being, there is no reason to talk about that. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.